1/4 mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back and you're ready to do another DIY. So in today's project, I am using everything from the dollar store to create some really cute designer looking fall decor. So I'm going to be trying to make some of those kind of like forever roses, but instead of it being roses, I'm going to be doing pumpkins as well as some other really cute decor that looks a lot more expensive than from the dollar store. So if you want to see how these projects turn out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So the first thing that I did is I grabbed some of these boxes from the party section of the dollar store, and I'm using some white chalk paint to create a base layer to basically just cover the entire print of the box so that I can paint it with another color. And then I did about 2 coats of the white chalk paint on each box after I let it dry. And then I decided to come in with this more warmer tone color, which is a bleached titanium. And I'm just coating that with 1 coat on both of the boxes as well. And then I grabbed these like gold foil metallic stickers from the dollar store. I actually had these already sitting in my craft stash, and I've used some already, so I'm missing some of the letters that I needed. So I kind of had to play with the words that I was going to be putting on the box, but I'm just putting Forever Pumpkins, and I'm just letting the sticker adhere to the box. And then I didn't waste any time painting one of the other sides of the boxes because I'm going to be actually just gluing this side to the other side to create more of a square box in a bigger size box. Here I am doing as I usually always do with adding my filler. So I'm using some recycled grocery bags that I save for every time I go to the grocery store, and I'm using that to add so it can get a little bit more height before I start adding some styrofoam to the top of the box, of the inside of the box. And so that's a really good tip. I save my grocery bags for everything, and I use them around the house for a lot of different things. then after I got the styrofoam inserted, then I decided to paint the top of the styrofoam the same color as the outside of the box so that everything would match and so you wouldn't see any peaks of the white styrofoam. And then it's time to add the styrofoam pumpkins on top. So I'm just basically mixing the colors and I'm just trying to see how many I can fit in one particular section. And then I'm just adding them using some hot glue. And so the last thing I decided to do to make it look even more official was to add a bow around the box. So I had this burlap ribbon that I also got from the dollar store that I've been having laying around, and I'm finally using it. So I'm just basically wrapping the ribbon around the box, and then I'm adding it with some glue, and then I'm separately making a bow and then adding that to the front of it as well. So for the next piece of the decor, I'm going to be creating a rope tray, completely using all packs of rope from the dollar store. And so here I am just using some hot glue and wrapping the rope around itself, and then also adding a little bit of height to the tray by adding some rope around the perimeter top of the base as well. the next piece of the decor, I'm going to be trying to give the look of concrete pumpkins, using the styrofoam pumpkins and adding some battery operated candles inside. And here I am just mixing some acrylic paint and some baking powder so I can get some texture and making the color that kind of looks like a concrete color. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.